For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hey guys, I'm Shikha and welcome to Beat Down Style Under 3, where we break down the latest looks of your favorite Bollywood celebrities. So recently Radhika Apte was spotted in a candy stripe look, which included a striped blazer with a matching pair of striped shorts, a white bustier and a layered dainty gold necklace by Flower Child by Shaheen Abbas. The outfit that she was wearing was by Nidhika Shekhar. Now the trend that I want to talk about from her entire outfit is, of course, biker shorts and coordinate sets are a huge trend, but also candy stripes are something that are really big and I think they look really vibrant. Now stripes is something that is an evergreen and it's a classic, and it gives you a slimming and taller illusion, so it's of course also flattering for everyone. But at the same time, with fashion experimenting with classics, it's a lot of fun this season because candy stripes are really trending and also mixing up stripes are really trending. So let me show you some pieces and a few fun ways in which you can do it, starting with a nice top like this one. Now as you can see, it's mostly in a jewel tone and it has black and green stripes, but it also has this candy pink color in between that's adding a pop of color and a little bit of contrast with the emerald green at the backdrop. What you could, I think, pair it with is a matching green pair of pants. So this is a different tone of green, so it almost looks like a coordinate set, but it's not because this is more of a jewel tone. It goes with everything, and this of course is more of a brighter green, so these two would make for a great outfit. I'd say remove the belt of either one of these and keep the belt of only the pants or only this, or you could tie the belts together and make an interesting bow out of it. That'll make for a fun outfit for sure. The other way that you could do it is to mix up stripes in terms of color. So over here we have this beautiful nice and breezy linen shirt that has a coral colored stripe on it, and what you could pair this with is a fun and flirty skirt like this one. What I'd suggest is to pair a white tank top or a white bustier similar to that of Radhika's on the inside, so it breaks the color scheme and it's color blocking plus stripe on stripe. Last but not the least, another big trend is tie and dye in terms of prints, and an amalgamation of both tie and dye and stripes is a breezy fun shirt like this one. This is very 2000, and I think a few pieces and fashion items from that era are coming back, so it's time to dig back into your closet. So yeah, this is a cool shirt to try. So these are some ways in which you can incorporate candy stripes into your look. That's all from today's episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.